The last trip to Iceland was in October, November, and in the middle of that time while I was planning, the volcano popped off. And I was super stoked to see a volcano in Iceland, as it's like super bucket list item for me. Of course, when we get there like late October, the volcano like stopped maybe, I don't know, a week or two before that. So the trip was awesome, got to see the northern lights, but missed the volcano. It's been weighing on me heavy since then. The volcano started popping off again. I couldn't resist. Lava's flowing, bought a flight against my better judgment, and Ben from Huckberry here, he's like, yo dude, are you for real? Are you going to Iceland? You just going? Like, I was like, yeah, it's not even for work, just I want to go. And he's like, let's hook you up with some proof gear. Now I'm gonna be going for Huckberry for proof, gonna be taking some photos, gonna go see some lava.
All right, Taylor, in preparation for your trip to Iceland, we're giving you a $500 shopping spree. We're gonna put you on the clock for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, oh man. Okay.
Starting now.
I have all the apparel that I think I need, so I'm gonna skip clothing. I'm pretty picky about the stuff that I bring. I'm gonna be camping, let's go camping. But that axe is a good looking axe. I don't need an axe though. This is tough. 2 minutes? Oh man. Yeah, is that coming? I like Rob, that's a great. Ooh, 10 degree sleeping bag. That still leaves me some money left over. I'm gonna do that one. 10 degree. It's gonna be super cold in Iceland, but not 0 degrees, and that'll be a little too bulky, a little too warm. So I'm gonna go with the Rob solid, yeah, okay. So I added that to cart. Ooh, packing cubes, I like packing cubes. These are 50, okay. I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do one of each. I love this. The reason I'm choosing these is because they're Dyneema. I was looking at these like last week, and Dyneema is awesome. It's super strong, super light, and it looks awesome. So I'm doing one of each. Screw it. And you know what? My backpack is it's awesome, but it's kind of tough to get into. So it might be nice to have just like a little tote bag for the vehicle that we're getting, just to like toss stuff in and out of, so it's not just like floating around. So you know what? I'm feeling pretty good about this. I'm gonna do, there we go. What am I at? What, oh, man. There's gotta be something else small I can get. Gotta hit 500, right? Clothing, footwear, let me go socks. I'm going back to socks. I gotta, oh no. What did I just type in? Socks. You know what? I don't know this brand, T3 Warren, but they say hike socks. And materials, as long as it says, yeah, 52% merino. Got it. Price, 0 to 50 bucks. Ooh, Turkish Towel. It's kind of, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna be going to some hot springs, and I like black. Done. Win. Now that I can think for a second here, I'm gonna tell you why I chose the things I chose. I chose the Rob Solar 4 Eco 10 degree sleeping bag because I was gonna bring a 0 degree sleeping bag for Big Agnes, which I love, it's awesome, but it's a little bulky because it's 0 degrees. It's meant to keep you warm and keep you alive in 0 degrees. And I also love Hyperlight mountain gear. And funny thing is, I was looking at these pod packing cubes like maybe a week ago, and I was like, man, I love Dyneema. Dyneema is super lightweight. I love packing cubes. Inception packing is what we call it at Carryology. So I got one of each of those. That's gonna be great for any time I travel. And I also got the G.O.A.T Tote, which is Hyperlight mountain gear. That's a 31 liter. So this will be nice to have in the 4-wheel drive vehicle where I can just like put it in the back seat or the front seat or something like that and have quick access to gear. And because it's Iceland, you need some warm socks. And these are the T3 hiking socks, but they look nice. They're made of merino wool. Merino wool keeps you warm, dry, wicks away sweat. And then since we're gonna be hitting lots of hot springs in Iceland, tons of natural hot springs, love the hot springs over there. I got the Turkish Towel, and it's black because all black everything forever, unless we're talking titanium, which in that case, all titanium everything forever. Well, cool, I feel pretty good about that. That was a surprise, $500 shopping spree. I'm gonna use all that gear in Iceland, and I'm excited to see how it turns out. Yeah, that was exciting. It was stressful too. This is Taylor Welden from Carryology, signing off. Thanks, y'all.